Hey guys, so today I want to show you a very cool product that is currently in the process of being released, which is the Boslla Bullet Series LED headlight bulbs. The special thing about these is that they are the world's first 4-color LED headlight bulb, and these are going to be going on my 2009 Dodge Charger. I'll be showing a few clips of their promotion video so you can see what we're working with.
Boslla adopts dual-color bullet pattern design. Silver represents white light, and gold represents yellow light. We use 0.9mm super thin copper, which makes the best high and low beam pattern. With dual color chips, it is the world's first 4-color LED headlight bulb. We use 6063 aviation aluminum for better heat sink and a built-in 8500 RPM heat dissipation fan, delivering twice the market standard cooling performance. This is Boslla.
Before we take a look at the colors and the product itself, let's look at some of the standard features here. So, as listed on the website, there's 4 color modes, all weather fit, 1 easy switch, high brightness, standard beam pattern, SOS emergency, 0.1 second instant on, 10-minute installation, 50,000 hours lifespan, the 6063 aviation aluminum, IP67 waterproof rating, and extremely temperature withstand. So as you can see, there's a normal white 6500K LED light. There's a neutral white color, kind of yellowish, 4300K, which they say is good for driving through snow. There's a yellow color, 3000K, which Boslla states has strong penetrating ability to help you drive in the rain and fog. Finally, the last color option is a warning flashing yellow, 3000K, in case of emergency. Also, these lights seem very durable. They are IP67 rated, so they can work through water, sand, and mud, and Boslla has also tested them through -94°F all the way up to 194°F. So how does the color change? Well, it's really quite simple. All you have to do is turn your headlights on and off, so the switch basically on and off very quickly, I think within 2 seconds or less, and the color will change to the next one. These headlights are on Kickstarter right now, and if you didn't know, Kickstarter is basically a crowdfunding platform to help bring creative products to life, just like this one. So they already have over $118,000 raised from over 1,000 people, and if you do pledge $49, you can get yourself a set of these lights, but of course once the Kickstarter ends, they will be released for retail sale as well. So let's break open the product, install, and see for ourselves. So here's the product box. The 9006 bulb is needed for the charger, and the package shows the 4 colors available, obviously the main selling point. And the package comes with everything you need to plug and play: the headlight bulb, the ballast, and the plug-in to connect to your vehicle. And they also sent me some really sweet Boslla merchandise as well. So for a quick look at my current LED headlights, just got the basic white ones in there. So as for the install for the Bosslas, it was really quick, about 10 minutes or less, as most headlight bulbs should be. You just have to twist out your current bulbs, plug in the harness, and twist in these bulbs on the charger at least. If you do want a specific video on how to do this for my car, check the top right corner, since I've done several videos on this before. Okay, so in this shot we can see the Boslla LED on the driver's side, and then the regular LED is going to be on the passenger side. Now here's some shots with the Boslla LEDs on both sides. And finally, here's a look from the driver's seat. So I found that these lights definitely work great, and they were just as bright as my previous LED headlights. After driving around with them, they do the job well, and I haven't really had a need to use the other colors, but with winter and a lot of snow coming, they will be really useful in the future. And in any case, they're a huge upgrade on your stock lights, and I'd rather have these than a normal LED headlight bulb, just because you get more colors out of the deal. So that's the end of this quick review, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This is definitely a really innovative and exciting product, and I'm happy to be using it, really liking it so far. Make sure to check out their crowdfunding link in the description if you're interested, and like and subscribe for all your Mopar content. I'll see you next video.